Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. So it will be the fingerprint sensor test basically. And in this phone you can find fingerprint on the back. It's here, placed horizontal. Let's make a few tries and let's see how this sensor performs. So as you can see, it recognized my fingerprint every time, and it's not that bad. For sure, I use a lot of faster phone. I mean a lot of faster fingerprint sensors, but this one is not that bad for that price range. So for sure, I can recommend you this phone when you are looking for the reliable fingerprint recognition. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.